Good day, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Offense. Please welcome to Trend Lines Trader. This is the YouTube channel where we do daily analysis. Ladies and gentlemen, we want to get to understand where the price will be going during the opening session. Today is Friday and it's the 4th of February. Remember, on Friday we do have when we look at our economic calendar, we do have non-farm payrolls, NFP. When you look at fundamental news, traders should also check the fundamental news so that they are able to understand what is happening on the market. We have unemployment rate also. It's January news, don't forget that. So ladies and gentlemen, let's not waste any time and go straight to our chart where we're gonna start with gold. Ladies and gentlemen, on gold we can tell that the gold chart is on bullish. The price is on bullish uptrend, bullish trend. I hope you guys are able to see that. The market respects this area every time it comes to reach the area right here, and we are able to see that the market might be pushing high during that NFP news today. Okay, let's go deeper so that we are able to see where the price is going during the opening session. Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to draw this trend line here so that we can make things easier for us. I believe you guys are able to see that this price, well, the price moves in this type of structure. This is our pulsive move, and then we see the consolidation, pulsive consolidation, pulsive moves, consolidation, which is corrective. Can say corrective and pulsive moves and corrective. We expecting maybe to have something like this in the next coming week. So let's go closer to the price and be able to see what might happen today. Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to show you that the price respected this area. It's an area, if I can draw it like that so you guys are able to see, it's an area with a double line. When the price respects this area, you can see that it's pushing high. So there's this area that I want you guys to see here. Do you see the support here? I hope you guys are able to see the previous, this area which was our initial support, and now it's our resistance, because the price has been respecting this area. We might have something like this if the NFP, the fundamental news, are negative today, but we can even have something like this. I guess you guys are able to understand what I'm trying to show you. This is the fundamental news day, very important day of fundamental news. If the market breaks this area right here, we might have something like this. This is my prediction for today. And then if the market doesn't break this area, we could have something like this, and maybe it might respect this overall support area here. Okay, I hope you guys are able to see what I'm trying to show you. And when I'm looking at this market, seems like we are having the ascending wedge. This is ascending wedge, if you are able to see what I'm trying to show you. And usually, since I've noticed, the wedges, they are always broken on this side of the trend line. But anyway, let's hope that the market breaks this area and we will be having something like this, because remember, this is buying season, so anything can happen. Let's not waste any time. Let's move to the next one so that we are able to see where the price is going. Ladies and gentlemen, this is our NASDAQ 100. NASDAQ 100. Allow me to zoom in so that I can be able to show you guys where the price is going. Previously, I can tell that we had something like this. The price was on a rising trend, the uptrend. As we are able to see, the price reached this area. The price used to respect the area, if I may say, but when it reached this area, it broke out of it and went to retest. That's when we pushed lower. The price was bearish on January. I hope you guys are able to see that. Remember, we are on 4 hourly time frame. 4 hourly time frame. And now when you look at our NASDAQ 100, we can see that the price is trying by all means to push high. Let me get closer to the price and see where the price is going. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you are able to see that since this week, from Monday, the price was bullish, but we know how the price moves, eh? We won't see the market move on a straight candlestick for it to reach the top. We will always have this type of moves where the price will be making higher highs and higher lows. Higher highs and higher lows. That's how the price moves. So looking at the NASDAQ, we can see that we had something like this. This is our previous analysis. Remember that the market broke out of this area and retested, pushed high, and made this type of moves. But I want you to understand, the price is taking break at some point. It has to push, take break, which is a pulsive move, and then pull back and have the corrective moves, push up, pull back, corrective movements, and something like that. Hope you are able to see that. So what are we expecting today on the NASDAQ? NASDAQ reached this area right here. You guys are able to see what I'm showing you. NASDAQ reached this area right here. This is what I want you guys to get. Hope you are able to see what I'm showing you. Don't forget that there's horizontal support and diagonal support, horizontal resistance and diagonal resistance. So if we look at this price, broke out of this area, come and retest, broke out of the next area, and now it went down. But this is for hourly. We respected this area again. As you can see, this rejection candle. If you can see this rejection candle, this is our rejection candle to show us that the sellers have no power here, but now we will be pushing high. So what I can tell you today during the NFP fundamental news, if the price reaches this area and the fundamental news comes positive, I'm telling you, we push high. We're gonna have something like this, because this is NASDAQ 100. It can push higher and create new higher high and give us the new higher high. As you can see, this is our point where the market was, the area where the market was making the U-turn from the previous sell. Now the market respected this area a couple of times to give us this pulsive movement, and now we having pullback. We're gonna have a pulsive movement. So this is our lower low, lower high. What I can tell you is expect to see the higher high during the next week movement. So during the NFP news, I believe that we're gonna have something like this today. The market will push like this. I hope you guys are able to see what I'm showing you. Let's move to the next one, which is our US30. Ladies and gentlemen, this is our US30. Allow me to zoom in and be able to see where the price is moving. Ladies and gentlemen, we almost have same thing with NASDAQ. The price was on the uptrend. As you can see, this is the previously uptrend, and now what I want to show you, I don't like to cut bodies like this, man. But anyway, let's move on. The price was on the bullish uptrend until we broke out of this diagonal support here. The market came, retested and pushed down to create this consolidation, and now it pushed high. You guys are able to see that. I believe you guys are able to see what I'm showing you. Let's go closer to the market and see where we at. Ladies and gentlemen, look at the previous resistance we had. This is the resistance we had, the correlation where the price gave us beautiful moves. The price was respecting this area right here. I guess you can tell that we had what we call a diagonal resistance. This is almost the same thing as NASDAQ 100. I hope you are able to see what I'm showing you. The price came, broke out of this area and gave us this consolidation. We pushed and broke out of this diagonal resistance, retested and pushed high. As you can see, we about to have something like this. This is almost the same thing as you can see the NASDAQ movements. It's the almost same thing. This is our buying season. You should not forget that. So what I can tell you, the market will respect this area. As you can see right there, the market will respect this area to give us new higher high before it will be pushing to the moon. So you guys are able to see that this is our higher high, and now it's about to create higher low and give us the new higher high and come and retest and push high again. My predictions today is that market will be pushing high during the NFP news. This is the US30, and don't forget that the market won't just move straight away to the top. Won't just move straight away to the top, but it will move creating those wave structure. that wave structure that we know how it moves. Let's hope that the market respects this area, and then if you can see this, the market break out of it, retest, then we will be having something like this. You can place your buys if the market comes in. Then if we go to the lower time frame, let's push to the lower time frame so that we can be able to see what I'm talking about right here, so that we are able to see what I'm talking about. We are on 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame. The market will respect, the market is creating this area. If it breaks out of it, we're gonna have a retest and push high. You guys are, do you see what I'm showing you? If the market breaks out of this diagonal resistance, that's how the market moves. The market will always create this type of moves. The market takes breaks out of it, and then retest, then pushes high. I believe the market will respect, the price will respect this, market price will respect this area right here, the initial resistance. Remember, it created this resistance and broke out of it to give us the support and respected it again. Now it's about time it breaks and push high. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Please do click on the thumb for like and subscribe button. Don't forget your bell also, so that you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Ladies and gentlemen, have a lovely day. Thank you.